Coming straight off a red-eye flight, no sleep, just vibes, we dove right into Tokyo with our first stop in Asakusa. But now it's finally time to check in, drop our bags, and settle in. Let's go. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. We booked the Sotetsu Fresa in Tokyo Kinshicho as our home base for this trip, and we paid a total of 42,070 pesos. That's around 7,000 pesos per night. For its location, it's honestly a 10 out of 10 for me. As I mentioned in my previous vlog, we only had to take one train from Narita Airport to get here, which was super convenient. We didn't book daily breakfast since we knew we'd be making convenient stops every day. Definitely one of our favorite parts of traveling in Japan. We even have a view of the Tokyo Skytree right in front of the hotel, which is such a nice bonus. There are tons of food options nearby. There's a Burger King, Matsuya, and even a 24/7 Yoshinoya just around the corner. Plus, there's a Parco and Kinshicho Station skip mall right nearby with all the familiar favorites like GU, Uniqlo, ABC Mart, and Daiso. And just a short walk from the hotel is a Donki that's open until 4 a.m. Perfect for those late-night shopping runs. Sotetsu Fresa in Tokyo Kinshicho is a 3-star hotel situated in the Sumida ward of Tokyo, Japan. It's conveniently located just a 3-minute walk from both the south exit of JR Kinshicho Station and the exit of Tokyo Metro Hanzomon Line. The hotel offers 281 rooms equipped with air purifiers with humidifier, flat-screen TVs, refrigerators, electric kettles, and toilets. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. Amenities include a 24-hour front desk, coin-operated laundry, ice machine, drinks, vending machines, and a buffet-style restaurant. Guests have rated the hotel highly for its location, cleanliness, and value. Many appreciate the proximity of the hotel to Kinshicho Station and the variety of amenities offered. One thing we really love, you can actually borrow phone chargers, adapters, and even hair curlers right at the lobby. We were also able to use the coin laundry and ice machine on the second floor, which came in super handy during our stay. And honestly, everyone was so friendly and helpful, which made the whole experience even better. We'll definitely book this hotel again when we go back to Tokyo, and I highly recommend it to all of you. After checking in, our son decided to rest at the hotel while my husband, Judith, and I went out to explore the nearby spots. We checked out Parco, Kit Mall, and of course Don Quixote, which are all just a short walk from our hotel. After checking in, we settled into our room first. I took some time to unpack our things, and both my son and I showered and freshened up a bit before heading out again. That night, my son and Gab decided to stay and rest at the hotel, so it was just me, my husband, and Judith who went out for a little night stroll around the area. We headed over to Parco and Kit Mall, and we were able to check out GU, Uniqlo, and Daiso, all the familiar favorites. It was nice, relaxed stroll, and a great way to ease into our first night in Tokyo. We also stopped by Don Quixote, which is just a short walk from our hotel. I ended up buying two keychains, My Melody and Evie. It felt extra special because during our Japan trip last year, I actually bought a My Melody keychain too, but I gave it away to a little girl. I knew I had another Japan trip coming up, so I didn't mind, and now I finally got to replace it. I'm actually not really into skincare, so whenever I visit Don Quixote, I usually skip the whole other things. I just head straight for the Sanrio merch and my go-to pain relief patches for my legs. And of course, that's also where we get my son's take-home Ichiran ramen packs, the ones we bring back to the Philippines. Since we don't have another Japan trip planned anytime soon, I think we'll be stocking up on a lot more this time around. On our way back to the hotel, we spotted the Tokyo Sky Tree all lit up. Such a beautiful sight at night. Of course, we couldn't resist taking a few photos while we were there, and it was a perfect way to end our little night stroll. But before calling it a night, we invited Judith to grab a late dinner with us at Yoshinoya. It was already around midnight, and it's such a plus that the branch near our hotel is open 24 hours. A warm, comforting meal to end a long but fun first day in Tokyo. Yoshinoya is Japan's largest beef bowl chain. It has two branches near Kinshicho Station in Tokyo, each offering classic Japanese comfort food like gyudon and curry. As for me, I always go for their cheese gyudon paired with a set meal of miso soup and kimchi. It's seriously one of my favorite comfort meals, perfect after a long day of exploring. At Yoshinoya, ordering is super simple. You just place your order on their tablet and wait for your number to be called. After you finish eating, you clear your own tray and put away your dishes before heading to pay. And they also accept Suica cards, which makes paying really convenient. My meal usually comes out to around 877 yen, but they have options starting as low as 500 yen, so it's really affordable no matter what you choose. For my son's dinner, we pick up some chicken karage from 7-Eleven, one of his favorite Japanese snacks, but by the time we got back to the hotel, he was already asleep. We tried to wake him up to eat, but he ended up sleeping through the night and woke up the next day instead.
Small yan, yan ang small.
Hindi, medium to.
Ang dami. Hindi na lang ako mag-soup.
Soup, tsaka kimchi. Miso soup pala.
Soup yan?
Ha?
Soup yan?
Oo. Soup.
Napakabi nila.
Cheese. Cheese tsaka beef.
When we got back to the hotel, we couldn't wait to open the smiskis we bought and see what we got. Smiski are phosphorescent mini figurines that absorb light and emit a soft glow in the dark. They come in various theme series, each featuring different poses and personalities. Each Smiski series typically includes 6 standard figurines and 1 secret rare variant, making them a fun collectible item. They are perfect for adding a touch of magic to your room or as a unique gift for friends and family. After we checked in and settled into our rooms, we couldn't resist taking a stroll around the area. The hotel's location was so vibrant that one walk at night just wasn't enough to take it all in. That's it for day 1. Stay tuned for more adventures coming up.
Yung plastic pa.
Parang nagmiga. Parang yung gusto ko.
Cute. Ano cellphone? Paano? Hindi ganyan lang. Ano to?
Sa likod kasi yan.
Sa likod? Ganyan?
Eh, malamang hindi sa camera.
Ganyan?
Gawin ba tayo?
Hindi sa laptop na lang. Maganda sa laptop. Gawin mo, Lord mo? Ba't hindi? Ako wala pa.